back. Coming to giving a feedback about the Jspider Rajajinagar is a very good place to learn the things from the basic, and it has given a very good route to learn the new things. And here it was given a very good faculties, and it's giving very good teaching and good career to us. Like when coming to basic concepts, Keshav sir taught me very good basics about the Java, and it was taken by the Uday sir after that. Has given a very good platform like teaching the Java, and it was given inspiring thoughts like we can do something in our life, and currently have placed to one of the good company, and all the faculties have given a very good teaching, and from have got a very good support from the Jspider Rajajinagar. I would like to thank you for everyone to giving us support and given good opportunity to build my career in upcoming days, and now it was happy to share these all things. Thank you.